Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to increase your font size on your Instagram app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to increase your font size on Instagram, I'm just going to open up Instagram and you can see what size my font is currently set to. It's quite small and a bit hard to read. So to make this larger, I'm going to head back. Now I want to click into my settings app on my device. Now from here, I need to scroll down and look for display. Go ahead and click onto display once you found it, and then scroll down again, and there's font size and style. Tap onto that, and at the bottom of the page of font size and style, you can see what font size it is currently set to. Mine's all the way to the left, meaning it's going to be the smallest font size available. So to make it larger, I'm going to move this slider across so I can do it all the way and make it huge, or I can keep it in the middle. So I'm going to keep it in the middle, head back to Instagram, and you'll see the font size has been increased. So if I scroll down again, now it's a little bit easier to see.